Have you ever wondered what it takes to be an entrepreneur? Well, entrepreneurship is often seen as a glamorous journey filled with success and freedom. But behind the scenes, it's a different story. This week alone, I've delivered 40 hours of workshops with 10 hours of flight delays, and it's only Thursday. Don't get me wrong, I'm extremely grateful for all of my clients and all of the work that I'm able to do. Now today, my schedule includes 4 hours at eBay. I'm in the car on the way there now. A one-on-one coaching session with a long-term client here in Shanghai. Calls with a potential partner in Dubai and New York and Bangkok. And ending the day with a coaching call with a client in India at 8 p.m. So what are the benefits of entrepreneurship? Well, number one, freedom and flexibility. You get to be your own boss and set your own schedule, of course, around your client's workflow as well, your client's schedule too. Number two, pursuing your passion. You can work on projects that truly excite you. I'm so lucky to be able to work on things that I love. Number three, making an impact. You have the opportunity to solve problems and help others. Now, of course, there's a lot of hard work behind the scenes that you don't see. Nobody posts about their failures or the long hours, right? So number one, long hours. As you can see from my schedule, the hours can be grueling. Two, constant hustle. There's always something to do, whether it's meeting clients, networking, planning, or actually delivering your service. Number three, emotional roller coaster. The journey is filled with ups and downs, requiring resilience and perseverance. Trust me on this. But despite these challenges, the rewards make it all worthwhile. So if you're passionate about your goals and ready to put in the hard work, the sky really is the limit. Now, are you curious about the entrepreneurial journey? Well, like, follow, and share this post, this video, to join the conversation and learn more about the realities of being an entrepreneur. And what part of entrepreneurship excites you the most? Please let me know in the comments.